Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. In this class, we are going to solve the numerical problem of the lesson Electricity, 10th Standard NCERT syllabus. First, let's read the problem. How many 176 ohm resistors are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt line? Now let me explain the question. This question is slightly different from other question because here the number of resistors used in a circuit it is not given in the problem. Means, see here, we don't know how many resistors are used in a circuit. Okay. So, this is n number of resistors used in a circuit. We don't know the number of resistors used in a circuit, but in the problem they have told that they are connected in parallel. They are connected in parallel and each of the resistance 176 ohm. Each resistor is of the resistance 176 ohm. This is of 176 ohm, this is of 176 ohm, and each resistor is of the resistance 176 ohm. Listen carefully, but we don't know the number of resistors used in a circuit. Let me connect them in parallel. We have connected n number of resistors in parallel. Now, are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt line. Means it is connected to 220 potential difference. The resistors are connected to 220 volt potential difference. Then the current flows in the circuit is how much? 5 ampere. When the resistors are connected to the potential difference 220 volt, the current starts to flow in the circuit and it is of 5 ampere. This is the meaning of the question. Now let's write what is given in the problem. What is given? Resistance of each resistor. Is how much? 176 ohm. Okay. Then what is given in the problem? Potential difference it is given in the problem. That is 220 volt. We know that V it represents the potential difference. And I. We know that I represents the current flows in a circuit. That is what? 5 ampere. These are the things given in the problem. What we have to find out? Number of resistors used in a circuit. Okay, we have to find out the number of resistors used in a circuit. And we know Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. We know that according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. We have to find out the number of resistor, isn't it? That is V by I is equal to R. Here R represents the resistance and V it represents the potential difference and I it represents the current. Now see see here, from the question only we can come to the conclusion that they have used more than one resistor. See here, 176 ohm resistors are connected in parallel. Means here what they are doing, they are using more than one resistor, isn't it? Means we have to find out the equivalent resistance. Listen here, equivalent resistance means it is the total resistance used in the circuit. Therefore, V by I is equal to R equivalent. R equivalent means what? It is the total resistance of the circuit. So, now first let's find out the R equivalent. See here, the resistors are connected in parallel, isn't it? Then, what is the formula to find out the R equivalent? What is the formula? Formula, we know that 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 and so on. How many resistors are given? We have to see. But here 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1. What is the value of R1? They have given the resistance of each resistor is 176 ohm. Therefore, R1 is also 176, R2 is also 176, but we don't know the number of resistors used, so it is n times 1 by 176 ohm. Did you understand this one? Why it is 176 ohm? Because they have given in the question each resistor is of 176 ohm. Therefore, R1 is also what? R1 is 176 ohm and R2 is also 176 ohm. And we don't know the number of resistors used in the circuit. Therefore, let's write n number of resistors used in the circuit. Since we don't know the number of resistors used in the circuit. That is 1 by R equivalent is equal to 176 ohm. See here 1, it is present n times, isn't it? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n times. And we know that if 1 is present n times, it is nothing but 1 into n. Therefore, what we will write? 1 by R equivalent is equal to n divided by 176 ohm. Okay? But our intention is to find out R equivalent. Therefore, what we have to do here? We have to take the reciprocal to find out the R equivalent. R equivalent is 176 ohm divided by n. Okay. Now, we found the R equivalent. Now, replace this value in this equation. Now, let me write this equation here. That is R equivalent is equal to V by I. This equation I have written here. Now, R equivalent is how much? 176 ohm divided by n. And V is how much? 220 volt. Divided by I is how much? 5 ampere. Now cancel this. 5 ones are, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fours are 20. And it is 44 volt divided by ampere. And we know that 176 ohm divided by n. And we know that V by A, it is nothing but ohm. Right? Therefore, I will write 44 ohm here ohm and ohm cancels. Okay, what is left now? 176 divided by n is equal to 44. Our intention is to find out the number of resistor, isn't it? Therefore, what I will do? 176 into 44 into n is equal to 176 divided by 44 is equal to n. 44 ones are 44 fours are 176. That is 4 is equal to n. 44 ones are. That is number of resistors used in the circuit is how much? 4. In this circuit, they have used 4 resistors. Hope you have understood. Thank you.